In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize app icon on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in home screen, grid. Now from here, you can increase and decrease the icon size of home screen. For example, if you want to decrease the icon size, then simply tap on 5x5, 5x6. As you can see, my home screen icon is decreased. Now if you want to increase it, then you can simply tap on 4x6 or 4x5. I will simply select 4x5. I will simply tap on done. Now you can do similarly with app screen grid. From here I will also select 4x5, tap on done. Now if you want to change your icon design or shape, then follow this step. Long press on home screen, go in themes, tap on icons. Here you get the multiple icon designs and shapes. For example, I like this one. I will simply tap on download and tap on apply. As you can see, my icon design and shape is changed. So this is how you can customize app icon on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.